Lapit na matapos yung bakasyon kaya lucky na kayo.
Given the figure below, what is the total area of the black portion if the area of the square is 36 square units? So, meron tayong logo ni DOST. Tsaka hinahanap ang area ng black portion. Kung ang squared daw na ito ay 36 square units yung area niya. Ang pangit, sensya. Pero ito yung square natin. So, may area daw siya na 36 square units. So we all know that the formula for the area of a square is s squared or side squared. Since may area na tayo, substitute lang natin sa a. So 36 is equal to s squared. And if we square root both sides, we have the value of our side length, which is 6 units. So para ma-visualize natin, let's draw its measurement. So ang square daw na ito, may side length na 6 units. And as you can notice, if we cut this side length into 2 equal parts, we have measurements of 3 units respectively. And we can notice na ito sila ay radius ng circle. Kasi alam naman yan, symmetrical lahat ng circle na yan. So we can assume that half of the side length of the square is the radius of these circles. So we have now the radius of these 4 circles is equal to 3 units. And we know that the area of a circle is pi r squared. Substitute the 3. We now have the area of each circle is 9 pi square units. Pero notice nyo, only half of the shaded region is pinahanap. So we divide our area by 2, and since there are 4 circles, we divide it by 2 and then multiply it by 4. So just like that. So we now have the total area of these shaded regions sa circles. So ang kulang na natin is itong shaded area sa gitna ng circle. So solve natin yan. So notice how this white area is a quarter of the circle. So we can use the area of this circle and divide it by 4 to get this white portion. So from our previous equations, we know that the area of each circle is 9 pi square units. So yan. So we divide it by 4. And since there are 4 white regions, we also multiply it by 4. Tapos yun, cancel out lang. So we have 9 pi. So in order to find the area of this shaded region, we have to subtract the area of this square, which is earlier we know that is 36 square units, minus this area of the white portion, which is 9 pi. So we now have this area of the shaded region, which is 36 minus 9 pi. So to find the area of all the black regions, we have to add ang area na nakuha natin dito tsaka dito. So yan, 36 minus 9 pi plus 18 pi. Iging 36 plus 9 pi. And since we know that the value of pi is 3.14, so we now have the total area of the shaded region is 64.27 square units. Or pwede ring itong 36 plus 9 pi square units. Kasi minsan sa choices is hindi yung approximate value yung nakalagay. So maybe in terms siya ng pi. So it's better to use a method na included mag-solve ka, hindi mo pa kinukuha yung approximate value ng pi. So manotice nyo, sa pag-solve ko is parang I've treated pi as a variable.